Putting an offline-first architecture in place for your application doesn't have to be hard. Let's take a look at all of the resources we have available for you. First, the center for everything related to Couchbase Mobile is here, couchbase.com/mobile. This portal will get you to all of the resources that we're going to look at ahead. To get your hands on the software itself, go to couchbase.com/downloads, just like you'd expect. You can also hit the big red button on any page of our website. There you'll find tabs for Couchbase Server and Couchbase Mobile. On the Mobile tab, you'll find Sync Gateway and Couchbase Lite. So you're a developer and you want to see code? Well, of course you do. Go to developer.couchbase.com/mobile. Here, you'll find a lot of resources, including quick samples of what it looks like to use Couchbase Mobile in your code across multiple languages. For training, go to training.couchbase.com/online. Here you'll find courses specific to both iOS and Android to get you started using Couchbase Lite, Sync Gateway, and Couchbase Server. If you need in-classroom training for yourself and a group, give us a call. This is all open source, right? Well, yes, we're Couchbase. At developer.couchbase.com/open source projects, you'll find a summary of all the many open source projects that we put out there for you to use as a community, including Couchbase Mobile. To get in touch with the community, you can go to GitHub, github.com/couchbaselabs. Here you'll find links through to all of our open source projects and their code right on GitHub. To get in touch with the community directly, go to forums.couchbase.com/mobile. There you'll find developers working alongside you implementing this architecture, along with access to all of our engineers and support staff. Couchbase is here to help. We hope you find these lessons useful and are interested in taking the next step implementing an offline-first architecture for your mobile and sensor applications.